Bad reaction to an insulin years ago, put loads of weight on, and the fridge comes from William Penn, an American footballer, and I'm wrong colour and about 3 foot shorter than him as well, but the nickname stuck. Cow Corner. Jimmy Shaw. Neil likes a good moan on pitch. John will have a moan if it's not going his way. And yourself, Craig, you like to moan a bit. I can moan, not the best. And Pete, I think Pete's definitely the biggest moaner. Someone like Alistair Maiden. Freddie. There's a few outstanding players that can do it certain days, but week in, week out, what I've seen in both teams for me would be Bilder.